Mazda MX-5 Z Sport 2018. Cherry on top. You'll need to be quick to bag yourself a Z Sport, the latest in a long line of limited edition range-topping Mazda MX-5s. But don't worry if you miss out on the 300 being made available in the UK, because all the fundamentals are available in the form of the 2.0-litre Sport NAF version, and most of the rest is on the options list. Driving the Z Sport is a great excuse for us to reacquaint ourselves with the fourth generation of the MX-5. If we're going to have more summers like 2018's, especially when combined with the empty roads prompted by England's strong World Cup run, then there's every reason to celebrate this magnificent car. And wonder why it doesn't have more competition. Yep, 29 years after Mazda's retro-styled Roadster was first shown, it's still available, and indeed going strong, having outlasted various rivals such as the earlier MGF and later Honda S2000. The details have evolved through its 4 generations, but the basic idea is exactly the same: simple, light, agile, and all about real-world driving pleasure. The current generation is available with a choice of 1.5 and 2.0-litre naturally aspirated petrol 4s, driving the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual gearbox. There are 4 spec levels, including Z Sport, none of them lavish. The cabin is cramped for tall or wide drivers, the boot is small, and the manually operated fabric roof is effective as fabric roofs go. If you want a folding hardtop roof, go for the RF version of the MX-5. If you want more power, go for Fiat's turbocharged 124, based on the MX-5, but with different engines and a reshaped body. Instead of 16 in wheels you get 17 in BBS alloys. The roof is cherry red and the paint is metallic grey, not a combination otherwise available. There's sand-colored leather upholstery, a plaque reminding you that you're in a limited edition car, and logoed up door sills and floor mats. That's it for the Z Sport's uniqueness, because it's essentially a gussied-up 2.0 Sport NAF at an okayish price. Luckily, a 2.0 Sport NAF is a fine thing, with a surprising amount of kit, in the context of a light, simple roadster. You get Bilstein dampers, a limited slip diff, climate control, cruise control and decent infotainment. You don't get reach adjustment for the steering wheel, and the seat has only limited scope for getting just so. But you can adapt. Try yoga. Try eating less. It's worth it.